It's even got little headlights on it. What a cute little truck. You like it, Lex? I mean, you get what you pay for, you know, obviously $40. If you want to get a better radio with the bigger motor for more power, if you're serious about this, you might want to spend the 120 and get the axial. But this is good enough for Lexi. I want to see if it even, you know, she just turned 3. It's recommended for an 8-year-old. I want to see if she will, you know, if she will, she don't break it, you know. All it takes is her to sit on that and everything. That's it. It's all over. All over but the crying. It's a lot better than what she had, though. She had, where is that? This. And this thing was one of them gigs. Only reverse and turn thing. And just, this is at least, you know, reverse, drive, left, right. Not bad, we're one-handed, huh? I'm recording. I don't think it's got the torque to really push. I'm definitely going to have to get the motor and trans upgrade. It's only like $15. And it's a 2-speed, ultra low gear and a high gear. So it'll give it like real power. Like, this is like 4-cylinder power. I want V8 power. Unless my battery's not fully charged. I'll let you guys know. Oh, we're both playing. Daddy can't wait till we get the, you know, I can't wait for her to get bigger. I know I shouldn't be in a hurry for her to grow, but You want to play with this truck, Lexi? This is the turn, right and left, see? And that's reverse, and that's forward. But you got to put your hand around it like Daddy. I try to.
Okay.
Here, let me show you. I got to put this down. Like reverse, forward.